Imagine a classroom where every student learns at their own pace, guided by personalized resources and real-time feedback. That's the power and the potential of digital pedagogy. But what does it take to craft an effective digital teaching strategy? Digital pedagogy isn't just moving materials online, it's a transformation in mindset, a commitment to leveraging technology to inspire deeper learning. Start by defining clear learning objectives. What skills or knowledge should students gain? Then choose digital tools that align with those objectives, whether that's interactive quizzes to assess understanding, collaborative platforms for group work, or multimedia content that brings concepts to life. Next, consider student engagement. Attention spans are shorter online. Interactive elements like polls, discussions, and real-world scenarios foster a sense of connection and challenge students to think critically. Don't forget accessibility. Every student, regardless of ability or device, should have equitable access to learning materials. This means choosing platforms that are mobile-friendly and incorporating captions, transcripts, or alternative content formats where needed. Finally, feedback loops are essential. Use digital tools to track progress and deliver timely feedback. When students see how they're doing, they stay motivated and know where to focus their efforts. The future of teaching isn't just digital. It's dynamic, adaptive, and deeply human. With a thoughtful digital pedagogy, educators can empower students not just to learn, but to thrive in an ever-changing world.